Hi guys, Andy at AKM Slingshots. Weather outside today is pretty horrendous, so I'm bored. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make 3 slingshots out of 3 very different types of wood. Now I'm going to use only hand tools. I'm not going to use anything that plugs into the wall at all. So we've got the first fork there, is a piece of ash. Second is, I believe it's Scots Pine, but this one's going to have to stay quite chunky because obviously it's a soft wood. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Might work, might not. Never used it before. And this is Hazel, which I've hand carved, but never done anything other than that. First thing I'm going to do is remove the bark. Boris! Meow! Meow! Shall we make some catapults? Shall we make some catapults, Boris? Meow, yeah? Shall we make some catapults? Meow! Nah. Right, now that I'm happy with the shaping with the rasp, just gonna use a file now, try and take off some of these fibres, and then go from there. Once the bulk of the tool marks are out, it's time to start sanding.